Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Right now I'm showing you this beautiful 2014 Subaru BRZ that we just got in. This is a BRZ Limited. It is a CARFAX certified one owner vehicle. Very, very well taken care of. The paint on it is beautiful, and you gotta love that rally blue color. Wheels are in great shape, not curved all to pieces. Great set of tires on it that are pretty much brand new. Just a neat coupe. A lot of fun to drive. They handle great, plenty of power. And of course, this one being the Limited, you do get a few more options on it, such as the leather seats with the microfiber suede in the middle. These seats are in excellent shape with the exception of this one little spot right here on the bolster. They do have back seats, but as you can see, it is pretty tight back there. The floor mats, of course, are in great shape. Nice clean dash. A 2014 with 141,892. Again, a one owner car. Super clean. It does have navigation, as you can see there. Dual climate control. USB auxiliary inputs here. And as you can see as well, it's got a handshaker. This has got the 6-speed manual transmission in it. It does have the heated seats. And I love the red stitching that they put into these cars too. It's just a nice touch. And something else that you might be interested in or excited about is that it is completely stock. No modifications. Stock intake, stock exhaust, leaving you with whatever you do or don't want to do with it. The sun's out shining bright now. Let's see if we can get a good side shot of her. And of course, as soon as I say that, it goes right back behind the clouds again. Either way, we'll run back here to the trunk real quick. It's a decent sized trunk for a small car, but we've got it available for you here at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. We've got a ton of great financing options available for you. Warranty is included. And of course, always top dollar for your trade. We appreciate you watching as always. And one more thing, we can also help arrange shipping and delivery if needed as well. So thank you again for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.